to go over my bras today because people have been asking me left and right. Just a quick reminder, I do nothing for the male gaze. I do not like you except for my husband. Okay, let's do it. This is perfect for deep V and if you really want that extra push-up support. I absolutely love this bra and I wear this very often. It's buttery soft. I'm literally obsessed with it. Okay, so this is a really good t-shirt bra. Very light padding. It's wireless. This is my go-to black strapless. You should have one in your closet. If you don't, you should purchase one. A more full coverage bra, light padding. I wear this more on day to day if I'm not looking to push up my boobs. This one is no push up at all. I wear this kind of day to day as well. I like to keep the neutrals in the wardrobe. Okay, so this baby girl is the OG. This bra is a must. She's always gonna get the girls going. In this bra we trust. Okay, last but not least, I think everyone should keep a lacy bra in their closet for open blazers, sheer tops, layering, etc. This is mine. Let me know if you want anything in the comments by commenting need and I got you. I love y'all. People, listen, if your tank top looks exactly like what it's been through, don't worry. I'm gonna show you my favorite one under $15.
Embracing comfort and confidence, the ultimate guide to bras for every woman. Imagine a world where every woman feels empowered in her own skin, where the simple act of choosing the right bra transforms daily life into a symphony of ease and elegance. Bras are more than mere undergarments. They are silent allies in our journey through bustling days and serene nights, offering support that whispers strength and beauty.
Hi, my people, let's get dressed. I got a new dress that I want to style. I don't know if I want to take it sporty chic or rich auntie, so let's do it. Nope. I don't know who I think I am. There we go. Guys, how cute is this? We just got these and look how cute the denim is. Let me cook. I'm pulling the denim out. Did you guess that? Make it just floats. Oh my God. So good. Okay, 12 p.m. studios. You know the drill. How could I not bring out my little Speedy? Oh yeah. Also have this jacket, which I love. Okay, you can also do a cape vibe with this if you want to keep the silhouette. Honey, yes. Rich auntie is going to be chic and simple. All by Moni, never taught me anything. Honey, she taught me to get a shawl. Very, very elegant. One of my favorite sunglasses. Oh, how could I not do a matching clutch? Come on. Gorgeous. Don't let me have to go to church. That shawl can go up quick. Got it going on at the meeting. Both of these are so my personality. Which y'all like better? Sporty chic or the rich auntie? Let me know. And comment need, I'll send you a link to everything. See ya. Hi, my people. Okay, I thought it was a perfect time to redo some of my favorite bras. I've added some to the collection. Let's get right into it. Starting off with an all-time favorite. This is a deep view bra because I love to wear like plunging things. I like to have a good moment. This is a go-to. Great support. It's a little firm right here, but I don't mind at all. Also grab the strapless formula for the U part. And has gripping so it stays firm and put. This is an OG, another like funky U-part type of bra. I love this bra so much. It makes my boobs look absolutely perfect. It's just a yes for me. It's one of the most softest bras I've ever owned. It's support. I really like a push-up, okay? Give me some help around there, all right? You can also switch the straps to make it razor back, which I love. Wireless skin tone bras. This one is absolutely perfect. Definitely a perfect t-shirt bra. I'm fine. Amazon be having the bras, okay? It's my girls, doesn't dig in. This is perfect. Another wireless bra I love. This is like my comfy bra. I love it for every day. Okay, so this is that same material as that buttery soft brown one. I love this. It just has some additional support down here. No wires, which I love. Still amazing support. When it comes to no bra at all, I wear a lot of tape. I love boob tape. I'll be trying out these little boob tape thingies from Nude, so I'll let you guys how that goes. Okay, so that was my updated most worn bra collection. Of course, I have a ton of bras, but I want to show you guys what I'm always wearing, and I'll make sure everything's linked. See ya.